After 9 months, I am going home, guys. I was so excited and so excited that I forgot that I need to speak anything. I was just numb and I was showing you the things. So let's go with me. Hey guys, what's up, people? I think so. You all are doing fine. Right now, I am about to reach airport. Okay, as I told you, my friends, that I will be sharing with you lots of fun and lots of activities. So I'm right now in Ahmedabad airport, outside Ahmedabad airport. I'm just walking through in because bus has parked me outside in the parking lot. So with my luggage, I'm just entering towards airport. For making this vlog, beside there is the purpose behind that I will let you know slowly. Actually, my main purpose is that the due to corona, people are not aware of that how the programming is going on right now in airport. So the things which I know due to travel, that I will let you know. The things which we assume and the things what is happening inside, that I want to let you know. Okay, like they said that we have to do web check-in, which is a must process. Then for luggage tag, they have provided the print. I have taken all the prints and I have done the web check-in, but I want to know now what's going on inside actually. Now let me give you some glimpse of the airport from outside. So people, you can see that from outside how it is looking, fully decked up in Diwali mode, full of light. This is the domestic section of the airport, and right now I am walking through the lane. This is the parking area for the private cars. Now I will meet you, as I will be doing all the processing, because I don't know that while I am entering the airport whether I will be allowed to shoot or not. As I will enter and do all the processing, and I will come to know that what to do, then I will let you know. Right now I am sitting in front of my gate. All the process are done, and friends, everything is normal. Web check in कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बैग का टैग कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, सब कुछ आपको यहाँ पे आके ही मिलेगा पहले की तरह. हाँ, सिर्फ सेफ्टी, सिक्योरिटी, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग यही है. ओके, जो हमें मेंटेन करना भी है. पर आपको अगर लगे कि बहुत कुछ करना है, वो सब कुछ नहीं करना है. सब कुछ पहले की तरह नॉर्मल है. सो कुछ डरने की भी बात नहीं है. सिर्फ अपना सैनिटाइज़र, स्प्रे, जो भी आप कैरी करना चाहते हो, जो मैं कैरी कर रही हूँ सेफ्टी के लिए, वो करिए और आराम से ट्रैवल कीजिए. मुझे तो सब कुछ ही नॉर्मल और अच्छा ही लगा. तो मिलते हैं कोलकाता में. दिस इज़ हाउ लखनऊ एग्जैक्टली लुक्स लाइक फ्रॉम अबव. It's really beautiful, guys. I think so. I should visit Lucknow at least for once in my lifetime. What do you say? और ये लो दोस्तों, मैं लखनऊ लैंड कर गई. या कितना मज़ेदार लग रहा है ना बाहर. वाव, क्या व्यू है बाहर. और लैंडिंग प्रोसेस भी कितना मज़ेदार होता है. हमेशा हम लोग टेक ऑफ और लैंडिंग में कितना डरते हैं, राइट. पर मुझे तो बड़ा मज़ा आता है. मैं तो हमेशा एक खिड़की के बाहर देखती हूँ, अगर खिड़की वाला सेट मिले तो. आई जस्ट लव्ड इट. एंड देर वॉज अ 40 minutes layover from Lucknow to Kolkata, so I was just chilling out and I was waiting so that I can reach my home as soon as possible. But 40 minutes का वेट करना ही था. Friends, this is the view of Kolkata from above. See, it's so beautiful and mesmerizing. And it was early morning, so the sunlight was also at exact its own position to light up my city like anything. And it is the last few seconds before I am landing. Friends, I am just about to land. You can see that the landing process is on, and you know that how a person can feel who is coming home after 9 months. फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि मैं प्लेन से निकल गई हूँ, पर मैंने वीडियो का
साउंड ऑफ कर दिया क्योंकि आजू बाजू का साउंड इतना लाउड था कि मेरी वॉइस कुछ सुना ही नहीं दिया। बहुत ही धीमे था, बहुत ही फेंट था, इसलिए मैंने उसको ऑफ कर दिया। मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस था वो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती थी। द एक्सपीरियंस वॉज रियली वेरी गुड. The experience with airport or with Go Air was very good till now, and the glimpse that you can see is that we are moving towards the luggage belt to collect our luggage. But the thing was that I took too much time to come out from the plane because they were maintaining social distancing by making people 5 row coming out of their seats. So that's why it took too much time. And after that, everything was normal. And I took luggage. Then I was waiting for my Uber. But in the airport only, I took too much because my luggage was not coming. It took too much time. So, friends, I just want to say that everything is normal. Please take care of yourself if you want to travel. And my total vlog is dedicated to my friends only who wants to come back to home through flight. So let's move towards my luggage area, and after I collect my luggage I will meet you in Uber so that I can show you my city. अभी हम एयरपोर्ट से निकल गए हैं उबर में, और अभी माँ फ्लाईओवर चढ़ने वाले हैं। पर माँ फ्लाईओवर आने से पहले हमें एक तरफ आईटीसी सोनार बांग्ला दिखेगा, जिसी के साइड में बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स और इम्पॉर्टेंट बिल्डिंग्स हैं, और हम धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ रहे माँ फ्लाईओवर में। अभी आपको क्लियरली आईटीसी सोनार बांग्ला दिखाई देगी होगी मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में, और आगे मैं आपको साइंस सिटी दिखाती हूँ। जैसे वो मेरे साइड में आता है तो मुझे क्लियर व्यू दिखेगा, क्योंकि फ्लाईओवर के चक्कर में वो गार्ड हो रहा है। ये देखिए, ये रहा साइंस सिटी। यहाँ पे बहुत सारे म्यूजियम्स है उसके अंदर, जो बचपन में हम लोग घूमने जाते थे। एंड आई विल शो यू मोर अबाउट कोलकाता टिल आई रीच होम। सो लेट्स सी। अभी हम अलीपुर एरिया में आ गए हैं, तो आपको मेरे लेफ़्ट हैंड साइड में ताज बंगाल दिखेगा, जो पेड़ों के बीच में हाइड हो गया। एंड ऑन अनदर साइड जू इज़ देयर, ओके, एंड दैट ऑल्सो इट्स नॉट क्लियरली विजिबल ड्यू टू द ट्रीज, so I cannot show you properly from the car, but it's both are very eminent places. और सामने आपको दिखेगा नेशनल लाइब्रेरी, विच इज़ फेमस फॉर इज घोस्ट स्टोरीज एज वेल एज द रिसर्च पेपर्स. Incidents also happen, that's why it has got rank in Asia among the horror places. So that is the reason why. And you can see the area of the boundary of National Library is so huge. So this is one of the place you can visit when you come to Kolkata if you are interested in adventures.
Friends, today's vlog is till this point only. You have seen my journey from Gujarat to Kolkata in this vlog, and keep watching my vlogs, and I will be showing you more about Kolkata and many things to come in my channel. So if you are new to my channel and you have watched my vlog up to this, please subscribe my channel and do like, share and comment also, so that I get to know that what you think about my vlogs. And bye bye for now, and meet you in my next vlog.